church and we are on our way home. Happy New Month to each and every one of us. Yes, happy New Month to each and every one of us. I danced today. It's been a long time. God, Jesus, I need to do better. I need to be more consistent. I danced today. Today is for Thanksgiving Sunday in Redeem. I don't know about that churches because I know churches that Thanksgiving Sundays differ rather. Winners, I know Winners is that Sunday of the month. But today is Thanksgiving Sunday in all Redeemed churches all over the world, worldwide. And we are thanking God for the month of March. And that's even the reason why I wanted to, because I missed going for Thanksgiving service and we had a great time. Even though some people, they don't want to dance. I don't know, maybe ice is pushing them. Madam Zara, March celebrants. This one was just disturbing, all true. Frowning face. She wanted to collect the phone. I don't know what she's looking for. Frowning face. It be like say, as when they enter their birth months, like just to do anything, because it's March 4th. Zara just been exhibiting different kind of character. It's not easy, big. Anyway, so see you guys at home. We are going home. We are done for today. We are done with church.
Dedication.
Which dedication? Okay, no, we're not going for that one again.
It's next week.
I don't know. They will let us know. So we are done with church service and we are going home today and relax. Weather is very cold. Let's just go home and shower and relax. So see you guys later. Bye guys. Good morning, people. Good morning. Ouch. Oh my god. Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning, guys. How are we doing this morning? Hope we are fine. Hope we are good. Welcome back to the channel. In case you're coming across this channel for the very first time, this is Temi's World. We're a family of 4 based in Asaba Delta State, and please do well to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, join the family. And if you are not a subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for constantly tuning in. We do not take your love for granted. Anyway guys, how are we doing this morning? Happy New Month to each and every one of us. Happy New Month to each and every. I'm so excited about this month because it's my baby's birth month. Baby Zara of that year is going to be a year older in a few days, and I'm so excited about it. I was looking at her this morning and I was just amazed at how grown, how tall she is, how outspoken she is. I was just going down memory lane this morning when I was looking at her when they were getting ready to go to school. I can't just believe that this is baby Zara of then. She's growing in the Lord. She's basking in the Lord. She's growing in wisdom, knowledge, understanding of the Lord. And I'm so grateful to God for that, because it's not easy anyway. It's not as if I am a very good mother. I'm the best mother in the whole world. But never. Me self, I still learn. I still learn, because there's some things that I don't understand and I'm still learning. But God has been faithful. We give all glory back to Him. I just finished taking a shower and I'm sweaty. Oh, Jesus is Lord. Anyway, today I want to find something to do today. Say, I've been packing the hair. Just left the hair on my head like I don't know what. So I just watched it this morning. Mom Kosi is going to help me find something to do today. It's actually going to be something that is going to be stress-free, not something that has to be packing. It's not something that will be uncomfortable, because the weather is hot. The rate at which I sweat, I didn't oil my body today because the weather is hot, and yet I'm sweating like this. So anyway, keep watching guys, and do not forget to like, subscribe again, share, comment on our videos, and enjoy the rest of the video with us. See you guys later. Bye guys. See you later. This thing look like saying a white hair day my hair. Yeah. I've not seen a white. Yeah. I get. I know say I get. When I want one, and it's even in the middle of my inside. Not for fear, I'll say wait till be this. At what age? Me that I'm just starting life. Me wey just dey clock 20. Ah, God, I beg. God, I just dey clock 20. Omo, this way that never allow somebody take care of their body very well. See my face. I did not clean my body. I did not wear my body today. The weather is too hot. The weather is extremely hot. I still go to shower like 10 times in a day. But because we sure say we go do this hair. Sleep don dey carry me go where I no know. For if you should let her follow, you hear my words.
She go come stand like this. See how
She won't fly now.
One stay. Mother, you gum your body now.
I believe I can fly. Mira can fly.
If I dance, I want her back. They can't go bedside so that she won't.
She make the move for bed.
If you want to Mira for back, she go dey stand like this. Come your way side. They go back. They laugh. Mira shuku. But why she go tell the boy? Make the boy come go fight that boy. Person the signal you go tell your boyfriend make you come fight. Some people say. She funny.
The boyfriend, you want me to beat her? You can't respect yourself.
Therefore, beat her. Because of woman, if they injure and they go come the laugh and say because of woman. It is a woman no get sense. Now women no get sense, so men get sense well. If they fight, they go get the sense. Go fight, you go come dey fight your fellow man, come you tell him say na woman make you dey fight.
Mira.
He just talk the whole woman.
Mira.
Yes, ma. You come dey fight because of woman.
Say him, they like wetin go bring fight. Say fight, that's what the girl back from where she talk.
Mira.
I see the girl when they
How are
you? Go fight at all.
How are you?
You know better for that make you respect himself. Talk back like that.
Leave that. If you touch that pure water, if you touch that nylon, get down here, go and pick it up. It is sure for you.
That's so cute.
Hey, I totally forgot. Okay, it's time for school pick up, and I totally forgot that today is cultural day for the college of Zion Temple School. Their schools split into primary, nursery, primary, and secondary. That's college. Everywhere is so jam-packed. Like there's no space to park. And I forgot. I wanted to come and check what is going on. Since I forgot, I would have left the house since because I know that this their home is going to be still. Let me go and check. I hope this gate is open. It's locked though. Everywhere is jam. Thank God I came early. I won't see park. I won't see where to park. It will not be so many people. They will eat themselves in that place today. I totally forgot that today is their own. Today is secondary. What are they calling it? Culture. But this is their own, their own bang. I saw it when I saw them when I was coming inside. No. You wanted to watch? You know that they've closed. You know they closed that. That's. What are you going to do there? When you get to their stage, when you get secondary. Who told you a lot? Before you know it, you sleep and wake up now. You're in secondary school. By God's grace. Yes, baby. You finished your food? Good job. Did you drink enough water? Why? The weather is hot. Your teacher said you should go to the other side. She said you should not drink water. Your teacher, Zara.
I drink water.
You drank water.
I did not drink water.
You know, I did not drink water. Correct yourself. Yes, good. But you ate your snacks.
Oh, I ate my snack.
Yes. Yes, yes. Hey, so guys, I'm done with making my hair. And I have to go back home right now because there's a disaster in the house. A great mistake in the house. I have to just leave everything. A great mistake. I don't know how I forgot. I'm going to show you guys when I get to the house. Because I was trying to rush.
I don't understand what you mean. If he doesn't get to the kitchen, how to the sitting room? How will the person not be flooded? Why did you close that door?
I didn't close anything. Guys, see, the house is flooded. I forgot to close the tap. That's a mistake I never do, but I don't know what happened. I was rushing out of the house. I think I received a call. A friend of mine is getting married, so I received a call. We're planning a surprise bridal shower for her. It would not be available, but I have to be actively involved. So that was what just distracted me, and I just went downstairs to go and wait for Mom Kosi. I didn't know. Hey, fuel has finished in my car again. Voila, deal. This was on the road. Everywhere is flooded with water. I've never made this mistake. I've never made this kind of mistake in my life. I don't even know where to start from. I have to go and drag Esther right now to come upstairs so that we'll clean everywhere together. Thankfully, it's just this room and the other room. He didn't get to the sitting room, he didn't get to the kitchen, but it is still a lot. It's a lot to God, I beg. I don't know why I forgot. I was actually in a hurry because I was going downstairs to do something, and I forgot. See water. See the way I'm playing inside water. Hey, Chineke. I don't even know where to start from, but I will start from somewhere. So this is the second room, guys. Esther was my saving grace. Esther was the one that did most of the work in this room. She was the one that cleaned, not even most of the work, she was the one that cleaned the room, moving stuffs and everything like that. Can you see the way we're just moving stuffs and clothes that are already washed and everything? It was a lot. Thank God for Esther in my life. Esther has been my saving grace. For those of you that don't know Esther is the girl staying with Auntie Raj, Mommy Mira. She's been my saving grace in this Asaba because when I have errands to run and it's impromptu, she's the one I call. When I want to do this, she's the one I call, and she's been a good girl to me, and I appreciate her for that. So she was one that cleaned this room while I cleaned the other room. Thankfully, let me turn my camera. I've never been this stressed in my life. In my entire life, I've never been this stressed in my life. I've never made this kind of mistake before that I'll forget off the tap. I don't know what happened. And thankfully today of all days, water decided to finish in time upstairs. Like the water got exhausted in time. I don't know, maybe it's because the water wasted though. But because on a normal day, there's still water running upstairs like 5, 6 in the evening. But as that passed to, water just stopped running. Because if that water did not stop, water is going to circulate everywhere. The sitting room, the kitchen, and that would be worse. Thankfully, it's just 2 rooms and the passage that the water got to. If it had gotten to the sitting room, the freezer, the speakers, the Go TV, everything, decoder, everything. Oh yeah, support the law. The kitchen call, everything like that. I'm just thanking God. I'm just thanking God that it wasn't more than this. The rooms now, I think only affected fan. That's just the base of the fan. That's the legs of the fan. Then iron. Then shoes. Those shoes, I'm going to sun dry them tomorrow. I'm going to sun dry most of them tomorrow. Take them downstairs, sun dry them, and bring them back upstairs to arrange them. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys. Today has been a very stressful eventful and stressful day for me. I've never had this kind of experience before, but this is just telling me that next time. And I'm always conscious about this stuff. I don't know how I forgot, because it was even me. I think how I forgot is that I was one that closed the bedroom door myself. I closed the door so I could not hear the sound of it, because if I had heard the sound before going downstairs, I would come and off it. And I didn't remember, I didn't cross my mind till I came back upstairs. But all in all, we thank God there is no more than this. I thank God there is no more than this, because I don't know where I will start from. I will just start crying. I was already crying, saying no, because I was like, how am I going to clean everything on my own? Thankfully, Esther came to my rescue as usual. While Lauren was watching Zara, because I told her to just watch Zara. They should stay in the sitting room, watch Zara, and take care of her sister. Thankfully, we are done. It's just for them to dry. Most of them are already getting dry. Just the shoes tomorrow, clothes that I have to wash with the washing machine as usual, and that's all. So thank you guys for watching, and do not forget to like, subscribe, share, comment on our videos, give our videos a massive thumbs up, and see you guys later. This girl is tired. I need to go rest.